Here, and we're going to be doing water bottle flips. Hope you guys can see good. Okay, I hope you guys can see that good. Okay guys, if I land this one, you guys gotta like, subscribe, and share.
And comment down below.
Yep. Do it guys, right now. If I land this one, you guys gotta do that twice. Okay, you guys just gotta do it once, I guess. But it's gonna be Gucci. Can you guys see good? Hope you guys can. Oh. Okay, that should be better, guys. Okay, guys, if you guys didn't see it, if I land this one, you guys gotta like, subscribe, and comment down below that you did that all. And turn post notifications on so you can get every video I make. And let's do it. Swag. Double. Okay guys, I'm going to try to do a double flip. Crap. Double side flip. Okay guys. Almost guys, close. God dang. Calm down on the burritos. This is family content. No, farming content.
Are you sure they're your family?
Not like kid rated. Like kid rated.
Yeah.
Okay guys, like they always say, the best stuff happens whenever you're not looking. Okay guys, as they say, the best stuff happens whenever you're not looking. Ah,
He looks.
nice. Okay guys. Okay guys, this last flip. After this last flip, you guys could leave.